In front of me is DOOGEE Note 56 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to choose this section, which is Security and Privacy. Then scroll again. This time tap on Device Unlock and choose this one, which is Face and Fingerprint Unlock one. After you will tap on it, you need to enter your screen lock to confirm it's you. Now hit Face Unlock, choose More at the bottom right corner. I agree. And after selecting Start, keep your face in frame following all of the instructions. Then hit Done. So when I go back, switch off my screen and turn it back on, I guess that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!